guys, Eric Kyle here, publisher of Great Lakes Scuttlebutt magazine. I'm excited to be down at the Miami International Boat Show right here in Key Biscayne, and I'm having an absolute blast. While I'm here, I'm wandering around. I'm looking for some fun and exciting new products to report to you guys on, and I ran across a really cool new product from my man Randy. How are you, Randy?
I'm good. How are you, Eric?
Good, good, good. Sink or?
Seal or sink.
Seal or sink.
SOS.
SOS.
It's the first aid kit for your boat that just might save your life.
This is incredible, my man. I can't believe somebody hasn't thought of this already. Tell us what it is.
We've never really been able to come up with anything for a solution for this. When your shaft seal fails, obviously you're taking out a lot of water.
Yeah, and you don't want to do that.
A lot of times more than what the bilge pumps will keep up with.
Well, let me ask you something real quick before you go into the description of this, because you said when my shaft seal fails. That happens more than people like to admit.
Absolutely. I've had it happen to me in the last 10 years, probably at least 8 times.
Right.
It happened to me on a boat last week, Wednesday. Both shaft seals failed.
Wow.
Had them on board, though.
I know I'm not the best skipper in the world, but I do know that one of my jobs when I get on the boat is to make sure that it's called the stuffing block or something, where you watch.
Or the packless seal.
Exactly. You got to make sure that you're watching the drip, that
Correct.
it's not a stream and it's just a slow drip, if any.
Exactly.
So if you don't pay attention to that and it fails, and if you're not doing that on a regular basis, you're running the risk of it failing. So everybody out there should be aware that these can fail and do.
Absolutely.
Okay, so what does this product do to help solve that problem?
Well, it's made out of high quality neoprene. All the seams are glued and sealed so that there won't be any leaks.
Okay.
It goes over the shaft and the stern tube.
Yep.
And it zips up over the shaft and the stern tube like that. You put a zip tie around the stern tube, put a zip tie around the shaft, and it encases the seal.
Okay.
And it'll contain over 90% of the influx of water.
So if there is a failure and you've got water pouring into your boat and you see it in the bilge or whatever and you're trying to locate it and you see where it's coming, you can grab one of these, put it over the seal.
Absolutely.
And does it fit just about any seal that's out there?
Pretty much. It fits both of these type. I have a Tides Marine here, I have a PSS, and it also fits the old flax packing type seals.
Oh, perfect. Okay, okay.
It just zips up over the shaft.
Yep.
One zip, 2 zip ties.
You zip it up, 2 zip ties, and you're saving 90% of the water in here, so only 10% can escape.
Right.
So you can make it back to shore or
Absolutely.
the shop or wherever you need to
Get
make
the boat
it
hauled
before
out.
the boat goes down.
Absolutely.
This is awesome. Now, is it
Thank
only
you.
going to be extended cruisers that are going to be using this, or are we going to be looking at any boater?
Any boater with a shaft-driven boat, and also we're also working with Ceto, and we're working with Boat US to have them on first response vessels.
Oh, perfect.
We're also working with the insurance company to get insurance savings if you have
Okay.
them on board.
Okay.
And we've also designed it too where it's very simple. So you don't have to hunt through the boat if you ever have one fail.
Right.
You can actually leave it on the stern tube like this and roll it down. It's not going to interfere with the machinery.
That
way
is
it's right
smart.
there. You don't have to dig through drawers trying to find
Yeah.
out where it is. You don't
Yeah.
have to worry about trying to get that zipper started.
Okay.
You just roll it up and zip it up in one zip tie and you're secure.
Simple question, probably a stupid one, but I'm going to ask it anyway. How do I know that my shaft seal failed other than my boat is sitting on the floor of the water?
You'll see your bilge pump coming on. You should have an indicator on the dash when the automatic bilge pump comes on.
Okay.
Also, I highly recommend when you're underway every 2 hours, do an engine room check. Go down
Yeah.
in there and look for water.
Okay.
If you feel the boat handling a little sluggish, you got a pretty good idea you might be taking on water. It's something
Okay.
that should be constantly maintained. Also, high water bilge alarm, critical.
I hear the high water bilge alarm system. The first thing that I want to check is my shaft
Absolutely.
seal. Okay. So unless I felt something that I hit and it's coming through the
rudder
bottom.
post
Right,
or
right,
right
right.
through the bottom of the
Okay,
boat or
okay.
something. Absolutely.
Impressive. How much is it?
$134.95 regularly. Boat show special $99.95.
So for $100, I can sleep
$100.
well at night.
Absolutely. Twin screw boat, we'll sell them to you for $90 a piece at the boat show.
Absolutely awesome. So if I can't make it down to the Miami Boat Show, where can I go online, Randy, to find out more information about the product and where I can buy it?
Go to www.sealersync.com. You can order them online, and there's a promotional code where you can get 10% off of retail if you order them online.
But only if you're a Scuttlebutt watcher. of this.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Thank you,
Randy,
Eric.
thank you so much.
I
I
appreciate
greatly
it.
appreciate it. Sink or
Seal or sink.
seal. I'm going to get the name right.
Yeah,
I like
you
the
will.
SOS.
SOS.
SealeOrSink.com, guys. That's where you want to go. Put this on your boat. Sleep safe at night. You'll know your boat's in good hands. Thanks so much. We'll see you out on the water.